ice cream ego, 2 layers of caramel, Magnum introducing pop tarts, the caramel bridge lemonade with pop. Like, I've never heard someone who said, my favorite ice cream is Magnum Classic. Like, you have the genius of Magnum Ego, 2 layers of chocolate with a creamy layer of caramel in between, and its counterpart, the Gold Caramel Billionaire, the one billionaire that is innocent of all crime. Then you have the crunchy indulgence of Magnum Almond, crunchy start with a nutty finish. Now the Star Chaser was an interesting one, introducing pop tart with the caramel twist, but I put it above the classic because it was bold, and Magnum mint. For one time I will appreciate mint ice cream, refreshing, robust. Now the Double Sun Lover, coconut with a mango tang, inspired, limited edition hanging there unwavering until euphoria took it over, simulating the effects of pink lemonade with popping candy and raspberry sorbet. This is